Oh my gosh, it's taking forever. Are you done yet? I think so. Okay. Shalom, everybody. I'm playing a new game my son showed me. Hopefully we can play together online or something. It's called, what's it called? Wait. Quick game? Yeah, quick game. Wait a second. I want to quit. I want to blow my ship up. Resume? Yeah, resume. Okay. Let's see here. Terror. That's the name of the ship. Terror. Self-destruct. Okay, here we go. Let's see how long this one takes. Cosmoteer, that's the name of it. Cosmoteer. Alright. I didn't build it, I just downloaded it, copied it, so nothing lost. Anyway, yeah, there's a lot of like really cool things you can do. Build a ship and earn money being a bounty hunter. Okay, now I can go. Quit game. Quit to menu. Yeah, Cosmoteer. I like it. It's kind of neat.